Okay, so thank you very much for coming here and sharing our journey with India and the world. Today is the grand opening of the Bombay Hemp Company Clinic at Brigade Road in Bangalore. Here we have a holistic wellness experience that we offer using cannabis leaf-based medicines. Specifically for arthritis pain and pain management at large includes chronic pain, cancer, non-cancer pain, as well as mental health, which is insomnia, anxiety, depression, anyone battling that. We also have a holistic wellness approach from the plant, which offers nutrition as well as skin-based therapies here. So we have a doctor and we have a therapy room for everyone who's visiting. We would love for our patients to come and see the benefits of what we have to offer.
These products are only on the prescription basis or OTC also can be?
We have both. So we have OTC products as well as prescription products. But we have a full-time doctor who advises both and consults for both.
So only you work with skin products or some other healthy products?
No. So, like Chirag mentioned, our core focus from this setup is to largely focus on two broad areas. One is pain management and the other is mental well-being. When it comes to pain management, our products are from more basic forms of pain to more severe forms of pain. It covers the entire spectrum of pain, chronic pain, acute pain, neuropathic pain, right? And in mental well-being, we largely work with lifestyle-based disorders, which is sleep disorders, insomnia, stress, anxiety, so on and so forth. And within the skin realm, we are largely into medical skin products, which is personal care products, where we have products and solutions for eczema, psoriasis, skin inflammatory disorders. Apart from that, we have a hair care range, which is largely to reduce hair fall and promote hair growth.
How many stores do you have like that?
This is our fifth store in the country. We have our previous stores. We in fact had a store in Bangalore previously in Indiranagar. We have recently moved from that location to come to this location. And apart from that, we have two stores in Delhi, one store in Gurgaon and another one in Hyderabad.
So people nowadays, they perceive cannabis as something that is only for intoxication. Whereas cannabis is not only for intoxication. When we come in the market with a product, see, there are basically two elements in cannabis, that is THC and CBD. So we cut out THC, and CBD is used for the wellness of the patient or customer or any sort of disorders they are facing, like stress, anxiety, or sleep deprived they are. For this, cannabis has been introduced in the form of drops that can be had after dinner to have a good night's sleep. So there are a hell lot of ranges that have come which are helpful in day-to-day life. So all these products can be taken over the counter, and there are certain products that can be taken only with prescription, for which doctors have been appointed in-house full-time. So you can please come and try.
And to add to this, right, of course, with regards to from an awareness point of view, we ensure that all of our solutions are backed by clinical studies. They are backed by scientific validation. In fact, our products are formulated by medical doctors, and we ensure that a lot of awareness and education that we do is led by doctors, right? So we have over 600 doctors in the country that regularly prescribe our medicine, who have been convinced because of the kind of clinical and safety and efficacy data that we have. Apart from that, we use a lot of digital mediums, offline mediums, to make people aware about cannabis, because cannabis as a subject is so misunderstood that we have to first prove its safety, efficacy, tolerability, toxicity through a lot of scientific validation that we do, and that builds the trust and credibility, and therefore acceptance within the patient communities is growing. Like Chirag earlier mentioned, we've been doing this since more than a decade, and I think now people are really waking up to its infinite potential. Globally, it's become a billion-dollar industry as well. Whereas this plant originated in Central Asia, it originated in the Himalayas, it originated in our country, and now and also recognized so widely in Ayurveda as an elixir, right? It is an elixir for pain management and other lifestyle disorders. So I think when you just package the whole thing in a scientific and a trusted way, I think patients start believing in it. And also one final thing is being in the heart of Brigade Road, in the heart of Bangalore at Brigade Road, which is such a mainstream market. When people see a store right like this with a GST number outside, with a doctor sitting inside, automatically the awareness grows. So these are some of the efforts that we have deployed towards awareness and education.